In a world filled with distractions and demands, the pursuit of success often feels like an elusive dream. But what if there was a key, a secret that could unlock your full potential and lead you down the path to success every single day? Today, we're diving deep into the realm of personal growth, revealing the powerful tool that successful individuals swear by. It's a practice that not only transforms your mindset, but also empowers you to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. We would like to invite you to our guide on mindfulness, a practice that's not just a trend, but a timeless wisdom embraced by the most accomplished minds throughout history. And here's why you absolutely cannot afford to miss what we're about to share. What's up, achievers, and welcome to Success Made Simple. In this short video, we are going to convince you to include mindfulness techniques into your daily routine. Not only will it help you in your personal growth, it will change the way you look at your life in only a week of practice. In the end of this video, we will start a short mindfulness practice so you can begin today. Without further ado, here are 5 reasons to embrace mindfulness. Enhanced self-awareness. Mindfulness practices encourage individuals to observe their thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations without judgment. This heightened self-awareness enables people to recognize their habitual patterns, triggers, and reactions, leading to a deeper understanding of themselves. As they become attuned to their inner workings, they unveil the layers of their psyche, discovering the root causes of their behaviors and beliefs. This introspective journey fosters a profound connection with one's true essence, empowering individuals to live authentically and in alignment with their values. Improved emotional regulation. By cultivating mindfulness, individuals develop the ability to respond to situations rather than react impulsively. This equips them with better emotional regulation skills, enabling them to manage stress, anxiety, and other challenging emotions more effectively. Through mindful awareness, individuals gain insight into the intricate interplay between their thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. Armed with this understanding, they can navigate turbulent emotional waters with grace and composure, choosing mindful responses that nurture harmony and well-being. Increased resilience. Regular mindfulness practice fosters a mindset of acceptance and resilience in the face of adversity. It allows individuals to acknowledge difficulties without being overwhelmed by them, leading to greater adaptability and bounce back from setbacks. By embracing the present moment with an attitude of non-judgmental awareness, individuals cultivate a deep sense of inner strength and fortitude. This resilient mindset empowers them to weather life's storms with courage and grace, emerging from challenges with renewed vigor and resilience. Enhanced focus and concentration. Mindfulness exercises often involve focusing attention on the present moment, such as through meditation or conscious breathing. This strengthens the capacity for sustained attention and concentration, which can translate into improved productivity, creativity, and overall cognitive performance. As individuals cultivate mindfulness, they train their minds to anchor themselves in the here and now, free from distractions and mental clutter. This heightened state of focus enables them to harness their full cognitive potential, unlocking new levels of clarity, efficiency, and effectiveness in their endeavors. Promotion of personal growth. Mindfulness encourages individuals to approach life with curiosity and openness, fostering a growth-oriented mindset. Through mindfulness, people become more receptive to new experiences, perspectives, and opportunities for learning and development, ultimately supporting their journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. By embracing each moment with a sense of wonder and curiosity, individuals open themselves up to endless possibilities for growth and self-discovery. This transformative journey unfolds organically, leading to profound insights, breakthroughs, and moments of profound clarity that propel individuals toward their highest potential. Now that you know why, let's begin with a short practice right now. Find a comfortable position. Sit back in your chair or lie down on your bed and focus on the present moment. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let it out slowly, feeling any tension melt away. Picture yourself surrounded by a warm, glowing light that makes you feel calm and safe. Now, pay attention to how your body feels. Notice any tightness or relaxation without judging it. With each breath, send kindness to any areas that feel tense. Stay in this moment, knowing you're supported. Take a few more deep breaths. Take your time, then open your eyes, feeling calm and ready for whatever comes next. Thank you for watching. Success Made Simple. Make sure to subscribe for more incredible content about being successful every day.